Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is about NICOLA, who posted a picture of her and other characters of Bridgerton. Fans are happy for this picture because they think he only went to support his friend. And being best friends is to support and stand for each other. I ship these two together, but better they stay as good besties. Being in a relationship and then break up is something I don't want to witness. NICOLA looked so comfortable putting her hands around him. This indicates that they are really good friends and very close, because someone you are not close with, you can't be this comfortable. Anyway guys, kindly share your thoughts in the comment section below, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. See you in the next video and stay safe.